In this video, we're going to be talking about how to play Roblox Souls RNG in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. So what you want to do is simply go ahead and search for Souls RNG in the Roblox application search bar. And this is going to be the game you want to look for by Souls Studio, and click on the play button. Once you've done that, you want to simply go ahead and click on the roll button to get a random aura. The rarer the aura, the lower the chance, and your luck improves over time. Keep rolling to collect different auras. Some are common, others are extremely rare. Click the auras button on the left to view your collection odds and stats. Here, what you can do is game passes can boost your luck and add auto roll, quick roll, and more. All you need to do is simply go ahead and head to the rebirth for rewards. So rebirth to get stronger luck multipliers and exclusive rewards. And that is about it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.